Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how soft drinks are bottled, inch hill, step by step.
Welcome to the heart of our operations. We're moving thousands of gallons of purified water and syrup daily to meet the bottling demands.
Does the manifest match the physical count?
Waiting on the final scan confirmation.
Scan complete, we are good to go.
Precise formulas ensure consistent taste in every bottle.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how soft drinks are bottled to strength, from start to finish.